Have you ever found yourself stuck in the situation where you would just keep checking your charts and your trades every few minutes with all the stress that comes from that? Well, in today's video, we will be speaking about exactly which are the two main things that you can do to immediately stop doing that. Let's start from the first thing that you can actually do to diminish the time that you actually spend in front of your charts, monitoring your trades, or every 5 minutes taking out your phone and checking your MetaTrader app to see if you're actually winning a trade or if you're in a drawdown. Let's start by the first thing. Which is it? Well, if you know what is the statistical data for your strategy. So basically having a strategy that is rule-based, first of all, but second of all, understanding that you will be losing trades, okay? You will be losing trades, nobody is always right, okay? You have to accept the fact that you will at least lose 40% of the trades. The moment you understand this, so you know you have a strategy, that strategy is based on rules, so it can be tested, both back tested and live tested. And understanding that data, basically having your data in front of you, understanding, okay, I will be losing 40% of the trades. And it doesn't matter if the trade that I am inside now will be a winner or a loser, because what counts is a big number of trades, let's say 100 trades. So the moment you understand this, okay, that you have a strategy that works, so you know inside of you that, okay, I'm doing something that actually works. I'm not gambling, I'm trading, it works, and I know that I will be losing 40% of the trades, and it doesn't matter if the trade that I'm in now will actually be a winner or a loser. Well, at that point, that really does eliminate the need to every 5 minutes or every hour check your chart and see, okay, am I in a drawdown? Am I winning? But there is one important thing to say. For some strategies, it might actually require you to check the chart every 1 hour, for example, to know when you're actually supposed to go break even on the trade. But if that is not the case and you're just doing it because you're stressing out, then do not check your charts if you have a strategy that is rule-based. If you don't have it, then don't trade at all, okay? Because you're not trading, you're gambling because you're not following something that has an edge in the market. The second thing that I really do advise you to do is swing trading, okay? Don't, at least at the beginning, if you're having this problem, it means you're not really advanced, okay? You're probably at the first years of trading. So what you will have to do, if you're swing trading rather than trying immediately to day trade or even worse to scalp, what you will be doing, you will have much more time between one trade and the next trade. Now, what does this give you? It gives you the possibility to actually take some time away, okay? What does it mean? For example, go for a walk, go sometimes for a sleep, because there will be, maybe you take one trade today and the next one will be tomorrow, okay? There's a lot of time in between. And making an example, okay, to understand why this will really help you. If, for example, you're day trading, okay, you take a trade and you lose it. You take another trade and you lose it. You take another trade and you lose it. So you have a losing streak, okay? You lost 3 trades. Will you be able to take the first trade as you took the first one, okay? With the same strategy, the same mindset? Probably not, okay? Specifically if you already have these psychological mistakes, because you're taking trades one after the other. But if you're swing trading, even if you're a little bit a beginner in the market, it doesn't matter, because you take one trade, then you can go for a walk, come back, and you will be completely refreshed, and you will be able to understand better, to control yourself better, and enter the market with much more clarity. And these are the two things that I suggest to you, okay? Number one, understand the strategy that you have and know the statistical data. If you don't have a strategy, either develop it or don't trade at all. Second point is be a swing trader and not a day trader or a scalper. If you enjoyed the video and you found it valuable, make sure you smash the like button and comment below. It really does support the creation of more free education and analysis for all of you, as you know, on all our platforms. So make sure you go and follow me on Instagram, TradingView, and obviously subscribe to the channel. And also make sure you go and check out the mentorship program. If you still haven't, you find the link below. And it's a very complete program. You first get all the rules of my strategies, so you don't have to develop your own. You already get my strategies that are tested, both back tested and live tested. And you also gain access to the VIP market breakdown. So every day you get the complete market breakdown with entry, stop, take profit. And what you also gain access to is me answering every question that you have each and every day. So without further ado, I will invite you to go and check it out, or go and check out the next video.